everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you all a 2-month strategy. So as we all know that we have our final day of the examination on 29th of January, that is next year, and we have almost 60 days in our hand. So we need to utilize these 2 months, these 60 days in the best manner possible. These 60 days would help you out to finally solve all the questions which you target in the main examination. It is very important to plan out these 60 days in the best manner possible. First of all, you have to remember is you need not to take stress, you need not to think about कि आगे क्या होगा. One thing you have to keep in mind is that you can do it. You need to keep yourself motivated for the same. Now let's have a quick calculation and we'll understand about the same. So before having the strategy in mind, one thing you have to remember is that you should have 3 main focus areas at this particular time. The very first thing is practicing, and practicing of what? Of the mock test, of the previous year question papers. Reason being, it would play a major role in your examination. Second thing would be the revision thing. Why revision? Because even if you have completed all the 13 units in the best manner possible, even then it is very important that you have very good revision of the topics that you have completed. The next thing is recalling. There's a slight difference between revision and recalling. What is the difference? Many students confuse recalling with the revision itself. No, recalling and revision are very different things. Revision is something which you do by looking at the notebook and you quickly go through all the points. But in recalling, what happens is we close our notebooks, we put apart all the notes or whatever study material we have, and then we try to have a recalling session, that what are the various points that are completed or what are the various points that are retained in our mind. So this is about revision, recalling and the practice session. So this was about the practice, revision and the recalling thing. So one important thing is that if you are seriously preparing for this examination and if you want to practice some new questions for the part B section, so for that matter itself, I have a test series on my channel. So the test series contain 2 packs. I'll put the description of the complete information in the description box. Check it out, and if you wish to join that test series, you could easily join it by paying a minimal amount. Just go through the information given in the description box, and if you wish to join, you could just be a part of that particular test series. Many students have already joined the same, and if you wish to do the same, you're most welcome. So this was about the practice, revision and the recalling. Now let's calculate and then we'll have a quick discussion. So from 29th November up till 29th January, we have in total 60 days, and that is 2 months in total. Now what I would suggest is you should have a partition in 4 different slots. The first slot should be 20 days, then 15, again 15, and then 10 days. Why am I asking you to make 4 slots? So each of the slot would help you out to revise in a better way. See, if we have a schedule in our mind, if we have a time span in our mind that we have only 20 days, so your mind would function in a more appropriate manner. So have the first slot for the 20 days. So we have the first slot as of 20 days. Try to have your first revision, and this first revision should be very thorough. You should go through each and every important points of all the units that you have covered. Star mark suggestion which I could give you during these 60 days is, do not try to go for any new topic. Do not try to cover any new thing in these new last 60 days. Reason being, you would end up confusing yourself and you would end up wasting your time, which you should be giving on the revision thing. So try not to go for any new topic and just focus upon the three main components that I have just discussed. So during the first 20 days slot, which is our first slot, go through the first revision, have all the points that you have completed during your preparation in the best manner possible. Now, I would not be telling you how to divide these 20 days. It all depends upon you, that from which unit you have covered how many topics and how you want to revise. I am just giving you a time span for the same. If you have covered 10 units, let's say, so you could go for 2 days and then completely revise the unit. Then the next 2 days, revise the next unit, next 2 days, so on and so forth. So this is the first suggestion, and that is during the first slot, go for the first revision. The second slot of ours is of 15 days. That is, after the first revision, then you have 15 days slot. So in these 15 days slot, go for the second revision. Now the second revision should not be for each and every point. In your first revision, you have remembered the point. We know for the part B, we have to have some important points to be remembered. We need to mug up some of the points. So for that matter, what you can do is you can quickly go through all those points and then have those 20 days utilized. After these 20 days, the second revision should not be like the first one. It should be a bit different. You can go in the recalling phase. This recalling phase would help you out to have those areas highlighted which you are forgetting, which are your weak points. So in the second revision, go for the recalling session. In addition, if you wish that you want to have a good revision as well, you can do the same, but mainly focus upon the recalling format. Why am I saying so? Because in these 15 days, you would recall all the points. How you can do is that in the morning, just read out all the points. In the afternoon, try to sit and then recall all the points so that you could understand that okay, ये सब कुछ मुझे याद है इस points में से, इस topic के अंदर से, and these are the points that I am forgetting. So it would help you out to highlight those areas which you are forgetting. So what happens is, or what will happen is that in the next slot of the third slot, that is the next 15 days, these areas which we are forgetting, the areas which we are having any problem with, they could be sorted out. In the third revision, what you can do is the areas which you are forgetting, the areas which are your weak points or which you think that you might forget in the main examination, go for the quick revision of the all those points. If you have other time as well, that is, you get to complete these weak area points in 7 days, let's say. So after those 7 days, as many days you have is you can go on for the other things as well. I am just giving you a layout for the same. You can modulate it as and when possible or as according to your requirements. So this was about the third slot. The last slot is our slot for the 10 days. We have reached in the January month. So you have the last final 10 days in your hand. So these 10 days, these are the days in which you have to go for 1 day, 1 complete unit revision. After your 3 slot revision, I guarantee you that you would be able to finish off the revision of the complete unit, whichever you have completed, in 1 day itself, because this is your 4th revision cycle. This revision cycle is very, very important. 4 revisions are minimum, and if you follow the pattern or if you follow the plan that I have just explained you or shared with you, it would help you out to easily revise those topics in these 60 days as well. I have got a lot of queries regarding that how to manage these 60 days. So that is the reason why I am providing you this small framework of 60 days which you could use according to your requirements for the preparation. So if you have just noticed, I have taken 2 days of the November, 31 days of December and 27 days of January. I have not taken complete 29 days. Why? Because in the last 2 days, or I can say just one day, that is the 28th of January, you need to relax your mind, you need to have a calm mind. So on 28th, that is a day before the examination, my personal suggestion would be that please do not study, just watch a movie, go for a walk or anything, but do not do anything stressful. So this was about the complete strategy. So all you have to do is have 4 slots for your revision. Try to revise 4 times at least. If you complete off your first revision before 20 days, it's very good. Go for the second one, then the third one, then the fourth one, and if you have extra time left, start revising for the 5th time as well, because the more you revise, the more confident you would become and you would be able to mark the answers more accurately, more appropriately. How to solve the paper and how to do all those things, I would be making a separate video for the same. For this particular video, I just wanted to provide you a 2-month strategy. I hope this particular video and all the suggestions that I have given you would help you out in some way or the other. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. And also do not forget to join me on the Telegram channel. I have provided the link of the Telegram channel in the description box, or you can just search Botany Insider and you would be able to join the same. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and also do not forget that you can do it. All the very best. If you have any doubt, anything that you want from my side for the preparation purpose, you can let me know in the comment sections. And also one more important thing, again a reminder, for Part B test series, information is provided in the description box. Check it out and increase your chances of preparation by joining the same. So all the best everyone, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.